Hello everyone, today I will review the NENRENT R701 Bluetooth headset. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this headset. 1. Ergonomics Design. The NENRENT R701 headset is designed according to ergonomics. Built-in high-performance rechargeable lithium poly 50 mAh battery. High-capacity battery provides up to 3 hours call time and up to 3 hours music playtime at full volume, full charge in around 2 hours. 2. Bluetooth CSR version 4.1, supports multi-point technology, can connect to 2 different devices in 10 meters range simultaneously, which makes it fit perfectly to your ear and comfortable. Guaranteed to be 100% secure and stable during intense exercise such as running, climbing, riding, camping and other active sports even in a rainy day. 3. Three-way calling. The NENRENT R701 supports receiving 2 calls, you do not need to hang up the first call to answer the second call. 4. Perfect compatible. Clear HD audio for listening to audiobooks, podcasts, and Netflix, decent for music and calls. The R701 is compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled devices such laptop and tablets and another smartphones etc. 5. Supports stream music, video, audio. Its hands-free function would release your hands from answering the call during driving or walking. 1-year worry-free warranty. 24 hours email contact service is available. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. We're standing by to assist you all the time. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.